Hey, this is Emily from SmartFlow, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the Panasonic FV-0510VS1 WhisperValue DC ventilation fan. UL listed for both ceiling and wall mount installations, this fan is ideal for use in residential construction and manufactured homes. It comes equipped with a revolutionary DC motor with SmartFlow technology for optimum CFM output, and the Pick-A-Flow Speed Selector gives users the ability to adjust the airflow to either 50, 80, or 100 CFM with just a flip of a switch. Depending on the CFM, the fan can operate between 0.3 to 1.3 zones. The plug-in DC motor is permanently lubricated with brushless ECM motor technology rated for continuous run. Each fan is equipped with a thermal fuse protector to safeguard against overheating. WhisperValue DC fans also offer built-in ASHRAE 62.2 timing function or condensation control options. The Panasonic FV-0510VS1's galvanized steel housing is 3 3/8 inches deep, which makes it the lowest profile ENERGY STAR rated fan available. While sized for 4-inch oval ductwork with the available FV-VS43R adapter, this fan can easily be adapted for 3-inch round ducts. It requires a mounting opening of 10 1/4 inches and comes with a 13-inch grille. Its unique L-shaped bracket simplifies installation and provides strong support. The fan is backed by a 6-year DC motor warranty and a 3-year warranty on all parts. For more information, visit the resources at SmartFlow or email us with any questions.